Are we live? Hello everyone. Are we live? Just a sec, I'll check. Yes, we are live, I think. Yes, we are live. Okay. So hello everyone and welcome back to my stream. And if you are new to my stream, my name is Abhishek Sharma and I am trying to build a full stack social media application using MERN stack and Typescript. So if you like my stream, do consider subscribing to my channel. And now let's get started. Okay. What the hell is wrong with my terminal? Seriously. Okay. CD frontend, CD backend. Tyler 1J171. Hey, I was waiting for your stream. Hello Tyler, welcome to my stream, brother. How are you? And thanks for waiting for my stream, brother. npm run dev. So I have started backend. I start my front end. Okay. Let's see. Backend. Front end. Fine. You are able to hear me? Like, if there's any audio issues, do let me know, guys. And firstish 669 sub brother. Hi firstish 669. How are you, brother? Welcome back to my stream. And nothing much. I'm just continue working on building the social media application. Okay. So not logged in. I'll just do test user 2. Test user 2. I'll log in. Okay. So right now I'm logged in. Now this is done. Firstish 669 voice आ रही है अच्छे से. Okay, brother. Thanks for letting me know. For Connect Hub. Now in my navbar components general navbar, I'll put a button here. Same logic. This is my button navbar. I'll just make it a nav. Nav is it's better to do this nav. Nav. This is done. I'll have this, and this will be a display flex, and there will be a button as well for logout. Logout or like I'll show the profile. I can show the profile. Yeah, I can show the profile image. Let's do that. Basically, here will be a profile image and the username. That's what I'm trying to do. Yeah, let's do that. So first we'll do this div, then there will be an img tag and be a self closing tag. Okay, and I can get the user information from my store, right? User information from my store. Where's my home page? Page. This is my home feed page. This is my feed page, dispatch, user, and this thing I have to do. The same thing here in my navbar. I'll come here. We'll do this and I will import use dispatch. Then I'll import use selector. I'll import root state. Done. Okay. टाइलर वन I1J71 आपने फुल स्टैक कहाँ से सीखा? मैंने यूट्यूब से सीखा है. मैंने बैकएंड सीखा है चाय और कोड यूट्यूब चैनल से, और मैंने फ्रंट एंड सीखा है रिएक्ट के प्लेलिस्ट से, चाय और कोड की, वहीं से मैंने सीखा. प्रिंस ऑफिशियली आफ्टरनून में क्या करते हो ब्रो? आफ्टरनून में मैं पॉइंट स्टैक सीखता हूँ, पोस्टग्रेस, एक्सप्रेस, रिएक्ट and Node.js. So if you go to my GitHub, you will see that there's this repository I'm working on using Point Stack. Krish Tripathi 9549. In total, how many projects do you have? GitHub? There are like if you see my GitHub repository, You will see there are lots of projects. And welcome to my stream, Krish Tripathi 9549. Welcome to my stream, brother. Okay, so user. Now let's do one thing. In my src, I can do this, right? User dot user information. Just a sec. Hold on. Store. This is my store. This is my slice, hot slice. And user information email. I can also store the profile image, which will be a string. This is my profile image. User auth state. User initial state. Okay, you set user state dot user. Find state dot user. This is okay. Then if my navbar, I can do profile image, I think. Let's see. I'm getting okay. Now I have to just class name width 20 pixel. Yeah, this is okay. Priyanshu Agarwal 219. You are working. I'm currently working on on this project, and I'm trying to build my own SaaS. Or in college. I have completed my BTech. Priyanshu Agarwal 6219, and welcome to my stream, brother. Prince officially. Tailwind यूज़ करते हो इस प्रोजेक्ट में मैं सिर्फ टेलविंड यूज़ करता है बट कर रहा हूँ बट नॉर्मली मैं शार्टसीएन भी यूज़ करता हूँ प्रोजेक्ट्स में बलजीत सिंह 287 हेलो बलजीत सिंह 287 वेलकम टू माई स्ट्रीम ब्रदर हाउ आर यू I'll have this width is 20 pixel just a sec this is my width just do one thing just a sec this one from here this one from here I'll add this one here same thing and also I'll add the username it can be a span and I'll have the user dot username and all your text will be white class name text white how does it look yeah fine okay कृष्णा द कृष त्रिपाठी 9549 आपने रिएक्ट चाय और रिएक्ट से किया है या और भी सोर्सेज से मैंने चाय और रिएक्ट से किया है Baljit Singh 1287. Where do you learn MERN stack? Any course recommendation? I did not take any course on MERN stack. I learned from YouTube only. There's a YouTube channel called Chai or Code. I learned from there. Okay. Heath Patel K7E. How many days to finish? Most probably I'll finish it by 15th Feb. If I continue working like this. Okay. And welcome back to my stream, Heath Patel. How are you? Feronix 7. Hello Feronix. Welcome back to my stream, brother. सब आते हैं घुमा के वही घुमा फिरा के सवाल पूछते हैं कि क्या बना रहे हो एंड क्या करते हो एंड कॉलेज तुम्हारा आंसर पूरा रट लिया होगा हाँ मतलब क्या कर सकते हैं नए लोग आते हैं तो वो मेरे को नहीं जानते ना तो दे विल आस्क दिस क्वेश्चन सो आई आंसर दिस क्वेश्चन हेत पटेल K7 आई एम फाइन दैट्स गुड हेत पटेल ओके नाउ फ्लेक्स I can do justify between and I can do this as flex as well last name just a sec not here I'll do this item center yep this is done and here I'll do flex this is flex and justify center then items center fine and in my image I can give a rounded full then okay rounded full or rounded 2xl rounded full fit cover bg cover Just a sec. Okay, hold on. BG cover. I'll do this. Fine. And in my front end, should I keep it like this, white, or I should keep it Prince officially? I can see backend code 2 min. Yeah, you want to see the backend code, Prince officially? Do let me know if you want to see the backend code. Connect hub, test user 2, and then I'll give a gap. Krish क्रिश पाथी 9549 ओपन सोर्स कंट्रीब्यूशन कैसे और कहाँ पे करें? सी ओपन सोर्स कंट्रीब्यूशन के लिए सबसे पहले आपको प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज काफ़ी अच्छे से आनी चाहिए एंड आपको पहले सबसे पहले ओपन सोर्स प्रोजेक्ट आपके प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज में क्या क्या हो रहा है वो खोजना पड़ेगा. उसके बाद आपको उसके गिटहब रिपॉजिटरी में जाना पड़ेगा, आपको उसका गिटहब रिपॉजिटरी को फोक करना पड़ेगा, फोक करके अपने सिस्टम में लाना पड़ेगा. फिर आप उसमें क्या क्या चेंजेस करते हो पहले आपको प्रोजेक्ट अपने सिस्टम में रन करके देखना पड़ेगा. उसके बाद आपको क्या चेंजेस करना है वो चीज़ चेंज करके आपको वापस पुश करना पड़ेगा और पुल रिक्वेस्ट डालना पड़ेगा आपको उस गिटहब के रिपॉजिटरी में. और जो ओनर है वो पहले आपका क्या क्या चेंजेस किया वो देखेगा एंड उसको अगर अच्छा लगा फिर वो मर्ज कर देगा. दैट इज़ बेसिकली ओपन सोर्स कंट्रीब्यूशन. Baljeet Singh 1287 is TypeScript easy to learn? Yes, Baljeet Singh, if you know JavaScript properly, TypeScript you can learn in one single day. Pheronix 7 repository में है ये. Pheronix किस क्या क्या है रिपोजिटरी में, लाइक थोड़ा कंटेक्स्ट देना. Pheronix if possible. Okay. I need to give a gap. This I'll give a gap of 4. Gap of 2 is better. Gap of 2 with 20 नहीं, with full with कितना करते हैं? with अगर full कर देंगे then it will be bad. No, with 100 pixel. No, with 50 pixel. No, 50 pixel. 25 pixel. 10 pixel. 20. Okay, just a sec. If there is no, I'll just check one thing. If user dot user where's my this, I'll go compass, I'll open. अमन कोहली 69. हेलो अमन, वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम ब्रदर, हाउ आर यू? भाई तुम्हें कुछ पूछना है, जैसे कि मैं सैस की सोच रहा हूँ कि जो यूज़र की प्रॉब्लम को समझकर बना रहा हूँ और वो बनाकर मैं उसको रील्स वगैरह में ऐड ऐड का पैसा पे करूँगा, लाइक यूज़र एंड ग्रोथ के लिए. क्या अमन कोहली से क्या ये सही है? सैस देखो, सैस बनाना एक अलग टॉपिक है और उसको मार्केट करना अलग टॉपिक है. तो पहले सैस, अगर तुम्हारा सैस का क्वालिटी काफ़ी अच्छा, लाइक एक प्रोफेशनल सैस अगर बना है बिना कोई लाइक कोड ब्रेक हुआ, एकदम यूज़र का जो जैसा आपने प्रॉमिस किया अगर वही आपका सैस डिलीवर करता है, तब आप अच्छा खासा पैसा चार्ज कर सकते हो मंथली बेसिस पे, लाइक अराउंड $19 मिनिमम. और काफ़ी पेनफुल प्रॉब्लम अगर यूज़र का सॉल्व करें तो आप ज़्यादा भी चार्ज कर सकते हो. और मार्केटिंग करने का बेस्ट तरीका है, सबसे पहले आप उसको प्रोडक्ट हंट में डालो, वहाँ पे डालो. उसके बाद ट्विटर यूज़ करो, ट्विटर पे डालो है हाय एवरीवन आई बिल्ड दिस फॉर दिस. रेडिट पे जाओ, रेडिट पे पोस्ट करो. उसके बाद यूजीसी, अगर आप रील्स वगैरह बना रहे हो, अगर आप खुद से बना रहे हो तो अच्छी बात है, नहीं तो आप यूजीसी क्रिएटर्स के पास जाओ, उनको बोलो कि आपका ये प्रोडक्ट है, यूज़ करें और रिव्यूज़ डालें और आप उन्हें पे कर सकते हो. दैट इज़ द बेस्ट अप्रोच इन माई ओपिनियन. Pheronix 7, I am asking you that does this project have in your repository GitHub? Yes, Pheronix, it's in my GitHub repository. If you go to my GitHub, here you will see this repository, MERN social media project. This is the repository. You can find the code here. Raj Prajapati 6332. Hi Raj Prajapati 6332. Welcome to my stream, brother. Bro, try Aspect Squad. What is Aspect Squad? Kanak Chaudhary R5H. Hello Kanak Chaudhary, welcome to my stream. How are you? अमन कोहली 69. वैसे आइडिया सही है. हाँ, आप लाइक प्रमोट करने का काफ़ी तरीके होते हैं, और एक बार सिर्फ आपको एक वायरल, एक अच्छा दिन चाहिए जिसमें आपका सैस वायरल हो जाए, फिर बूम, फिर पैसे ही पैसे. एस्पेक्ट स्क्वायर. अच्छा, लेट्स ट्राई एस्पेक्ट स्क्वायर. लाइक आई शुड डू इट इन माई इमेज. Aspect square. Just a sec. I'll remove this aspect square. Yeah, this is working. Thanks, Raj Prajapati 6332. This is working. Thank you, brother. Krish Tripathi 9549. You have 148 projects. All are your own projects और open source लिया है. These are all my projects. मैंने सिर्फ एक ही प्रोजेक्ट ओपन सोर्स में किया, वो भी चाय और कोड का, जब मैं ओपन सोर्स प्रैक्टिस कर रहा था वहीं पे, और बाकी सब मेरे ही प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं. 30 pixel, yeah, 30 pixel is fine, and I can give it a border to, just a sec, I'll give it border here, border 2, and border can be white, I think, just to check. Not white, we can do this color, this one that we have, and copy this. I'll come here. This is basically my main theme. We can do this. Yeah, this is looking good, and I can do this. Yep, this is fine. Aman Kohli 69. Thanks bro, and love you bro. आपने टॉपिक समझा और सजेशन दिया. अगेन थैंक्स. या वेलकम अमन कोहली. Raj Prajapati 6332. Bro, aspect square is 1:1 aspect ratio, so it's better for rounded image. Thanks Raj Prajapati 6332. Yeah, it is working absolutely fine. Aman Kohli 69. Bro, मेरी सोच ये है कि जिंदगी 4 दिन की है, क्यों ना कुछ बनाकर ही हटा. आई नो ईजी नहीं है, लेकिन इम्पॉसिबल भी नहीं है, राइट? एनी सजेशंस? एक्चुअली अमन कोहली, आई थिंक द सेम थिंग. लाइक लाइफ इज लिमिटेड, ठीक है, टाइम काफ़ी लिमिटेड है, तो टाइम को यूटिलाइज करके कुछ बना के जाते हैं. दैट इज़ वॉट मोटिवेट्स मी एज वेल. सो हमारी सोच काफ़ी मिलती है अमन. Okay, so this is done. And one more thing, this I should add a default image if there is no user image. Just a sec. MERN social media users. If there's no profile image, then I think it's null. I think profile image, any profile image. If there is no user dot profile image, if there's a user dot profile image, if there's this, then do this or do this. If there's a profile image, then I can add this one here. I can add this one here. Or if there's no profile image, just a sec, yeah, image tag, class name, src, yeah. And if there's no profile image, I'll add this one here, and here I'll add, I need to download a default image vector. I can show a simple React icon. Okay, React or Lucid React icons I can do. Okay, कनक चौधरी R5H. बट बनाना किसके लिए है? बनाना है लोगों के लिए. कुछ बड़ा करो जो आपसे भी बड़ा हो. जब आप चले जाओ फिर भी लोग आप ये चीज़ बनाएं, इसके लिए आपको याद रखें. मेरा ऐसा सोच है. अमन कोहली 69. या राइट, थैंक्स ब्रो. तुम्हारा भी यही थिंकिंग है. सच में भाई, मजाक तो नहीं कर रहा. नहीं ब्रो, सच में लाइक आपको क्या लगता है मैं क्यों इतना सीखने में टाइम इन्वेस्ट कर रहा हूँ? क्योंकि मुझे कुछ बनाना है खुद का। कनक चौधरी R5H, सब मोह माया है। अमन कोहली 69, मेरा भी सेम। या दैट्स नाइस अमन। यूजर lucid react, how to install lucid react? npm I lucid react. Let's see, I'll come here, I have to install this package, this one, I'll install this lucid react. It is getting installed. Okay, मुझे भी कुछ बनाना है। दैट्स नाइस अमन। लाइक लोगों का पेन पॉइंट समझो, अपना स्किल्स ऐसा गोल ऐसा होना चाहिए कि आपके पास स्किल हो कि जो आपके दिमाग में आइडिया हो आप उसको बना पाओ। बस इतना ही मेन चीज़ है। और अगर आप इतना कर लिए ना तो आपको जॉब वॉब भी इजीली मिल जाता है। अगर स्किल है तो जॉब मिल जाएगा। लेकिन अगर आपको खुद का बनाना है तो वो चेज़ करने के लिए नॉलेज को भी चेज़ करना पड़ेगा, अपने नॉलेज को भी इंक्रीज करनी पड़ेगी। npm run dev. This is working now. After this I can do here, I can here, and then I can do user, default user. I can add this one, yep. Copy JSX, I can add, come here, copy JSX, just a sec. Copy JSX, I copied JSX. Then if there's no profile image then I can just do this, I think. And this user, where do I need to, how to use it? Okay, copy JSX, I copied the JSX, then what happened? Nothing. I have to import it. Import, I think, import user from lucid react, something like this. User left any, just a sec. If I do this with this one, okay, hold on. Use nullish instead of ternary operator. Raj Prajapati 6332. Okay, use nullish. This one, nullish. Okay, hold on, just a sec. Sunil Tariq R20. Hi Sunil. Hi Sunil. Welcome back to my stream. How are you? You came after a long time. Everything good? User. Just a sec. Here I come. If there's no profile pic. User. You have to use this. Okay, yeah, I got it. User2. I'll import this user2. I'll come here. User2. Why am I getting this? I'll remove this. Yeah, user2. Just a sec. And I'll quickly add a logout. Just a sec. I'll add a logout button. Logout functionality should be navbar. Home's feed page. This is my feed page. This is the handle logout. I need to copy, cut it. I'll cut this one from here. I'll come to my navbar. Here I'll get this logic. Logout user, toast, then logout, then navigate, use navigate, import, use navigate from here now. Then I can come here, const navigate equals use navigate. Then in navigate I got navigate, then server error. I have to create a state, const server error comma set server error equals use state, and I have to import use state, then use state, then after this it can be a string or null, and this can be null. Yup, this is working. Handle logout is working. Then after handle logout, basically on click I'll need a button. Just a sec. For now I'll keep a quick button here. Okay, just a minute. I am good, sir. That's good to know, Sunil. Raj Prajapati 6332. Like src equal user.image. If okay, default. Okay, got it. I'll try that. So, Raj Prajapati. Just a second. Aman Kohli 69. सब मोह माया है उनका, उनके लिए जो कुछ करना नहीं चाहते भाई, हमारे लिए लिमिटेड है, हमारी लाइफ लिमिटेड है, एंड तो नाम और काम करके जाएंगे. सही बात है अमन. वेल सेड. सुनील तारीख R20. सर ये किस टाइप का प्रोजेक्ट बना रहे हो और थोड़ा डिस्प्ले भी दिखाएं और बताएं और बता के इसमें कौन कौन सी फंक्शनैलिटी यूज़ की है आपने. ओके सुनील, अभी जस्ट एक सेकंड में आपको दिखाता हूँ. Pheronix 7, will there be message option? Yes, for Pheronix there will be messaging and chatting option. For this I'll need to implement WebSockets as well. And my first goal is to build the entire application without the chat. Once that is built, then because we have everything ready, we just need to implement WebSocket. That I'll do in the end. Ashish Vishwakarma 1556. Hello Ashish Vishwakarma, welcome to my stream brother. Hello sir, anti-gravity use karo. Use anti-gravity. Hi Ashish, yeah I can use anti-gravity और cursor, but ये प्रोजेक्ट मेरे सीखने के लिए है एंड इसमें मैं खुद अपनी कॉन्सेप्ट्स क्लियर करना चाह रहा हूँ, क्योंकि मेरा गोल है खुद का SaaS और स्टार्टअप स्टार्ट करना. तो उसके लिए आई कैन नॉट इंटायरली डिपेंड ऑन AI का IDs. तो अगर लाइक फ्यूचर में SaaS बनाने का आई विल यूज IDs का, लाइक AI IDs टू बूस्ट अप माई प्रोडक्टिविटी, बट इंटायरली उन पे डिपेंड होके करूँगा तो बाद में कोड में बहुत इशू आएगा. तो मैं पहले कोड समझ के खुद से बना रहा हूँ, बाद में आई शिफ्ट टू SaaS. जब मैं SaaS बनाऊंगा देन आई शिफ्ट टू AI IDs. अमन कोहली 69. भाई ये करेक्ट भाई, या कनेक्ट हब से हम क्या क्या कर सकते हैं और आप इसका प्रमोशन कैसे करोगे? इसको मैं प्रोजेक्ट बना के डिप्लॉय कर दूंगा, फिर लोग इसको यूज करेंगे. ये बेसिकली उनके लिए जो खुद के स्किल्स को शेयर करके रियल लोगों से कनेक्ट करना चाहते हैं, जो स्किल बेसिस पे, लाइक कम्युनिटी बेसिस पे है. ठीक है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल डेवलपर है, वो अपना प्रोजेक्ट्स यहाँ पे डिस्प्ले कर सकता है, इमेज डाल सकते हैं. क्रिएटर यहाँ पे आके अपना पोस्ट कर सकते हैं, एक दूसरे चैट कर सकते हैं. लाइक बेसिकली ये प्रोजेक्ट मेरे खुद के सीखने के लिए, बट इसको मैं डिप्लॉय करके बाद में ओपन सोर्स भी कर दूंगा ताकि दूसरे लोग कंट्रीब्यूट कर पाए. तो यही गोल है अभी, क्योंकि मेरा मेन SaaS अभी इसको, ये प्रोजेक्ट को बना के मैं अपनी खुद के स्किल्स इंप्रूव कर रहा हूँ. तो यही चीज़ है ये वाले प्रोजेक्ट को लेके. MIT Purnia Diaries. Hello, this Saf. Hello Saf, welcome to my stream brother. How are you? BMP System 2014. WebSocket going under which field, like system design, etc. See, WebSocket is a type of client and server architecture. Like we have HTTP protocol, WebSocket is also a type of a protocol. So basically it is used in real-time communication, like in when we use, if you use any those kind of application like share market application, you get real-time data of share prices, right? Or you can see notification systems, there we use WebSockets, or in the chatting system we use WebSockets. अमन कोहली, यूज़र तक कैसे पहुंचेगा ये प्रोजेक्ट? लाइक मैं इसे ट्विटर पे और रेडिट पे प्रमोट करूंगा मेनली. इसके लिए मैं ज़्यादा रील वील पे डिपेंडेंट नहीं रहूँगा, क्योंकि मेरा मेन SaaS बनाना है. तो ये सीख के मैं डायरेक्टली SaaS बनाने पे ध्यान देंगे. और मेन तो ये वाले सोशल मीडिया के लिए मैं बस ट्विटर और रेडिट पे ही डिपेंडेंट हूँ. Ashish Vishwakarma 1556. Okay sir, thank you so much for reply. Okay sir, got it. That is nice strategy. Sir, can you tell me about your background? Ashish, I've completed my BTech back in 2023 and right now I'm trying to build my own startup. सो दैट इज़ इंफॉर्मेशन। अमन को नहीं चाहिए। तुम अपनी फैमिली के साथ रहते हो या अलग? मैं अपनी फैमिली के साथ रहता हूँ अमन। राजीव भारद्वाज, हेलो राजीव, वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम ब्रो। जीपीटी आने के बाद पेशेंट लेवल खत्म हो गया है, एनी सोल्यूशन? आप पहले पहले खुद से कोड करो। एंड कहीं पे जीपीटी को मेनली अगर तुम सीख रहे हो ना, तो जीपीटी को सिर्फ डिबगर के लिए यूज करो। पहले क्या होता था कि कुछ भी इशू आता था हम लोग यूट्यूब पे सर्च करते थे या गूगल पे सर्च करते थे। तो अभी कोई एरर आता था हम लोग जीपीटी पे सर्च करते हैं। इससे क्या है कि टाइम बचता है और आप सीख भी पाते हो। तो जीपीटी को बस कोड को डिबगिंग के लिए यूज करो मेरे हिसाब से। हे प्राजल हियर, हेलो मैन। हे प्राजल, वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम ब्रदर, हाउ आर यू? अमन कोहली 69, यू नो हरकिरत क्या कमाल का कोडर है। या आई हैव सीन हरकिरत सिंग्स यूट्यूब चैनल, ही इज़ वेरी गुड, उनका स्किल काफ़ी अच्छा है। MIT Purnia Diaries, I prefer Laravel framework. That's nice. If you are comfortable with Laravel and you are strong in PHP, then that's nice. Laravel is fine. अमन कोहली 69, सैस का आइडिया क्या है? अभी इतने सारे आइडिया दिमाग में आते रहते हैं ना कि अभी कुछ एक पर्टिकुलर पिक ही नहीं किया है। तो एक बार ये वाला प्रोजेक्ट कंप्लीट हो जाए फिर उस बारे पे उसमें ध्यान दूंगा। आशीष विश्वकर्मा 1556, सर डू यू हैव जॉब एक्सपीरियंस एंड डू यू स्टे इन मुंबई? आशीष विश्वकर्मा, आई डू हैव जॉब एक्सपीरियंस, like I did my job for last 2 years, then I resigned. And no, I don't stay in Mumbai, brother. I stay in West Bengal. फेरोनिक 7, फैमिली सोने चल जाती है तब लाइव आते हो ना? जी हाँ, मैं बस रात को डिनर करता हूँ, उसके बाद लाइव आ जाता हूँ अपना प्रोजेक्ट पे काम करने के लिए। आई एम शानोप, हेलो हेलो शानोप, वेलकम टू माई स्ट्रीम ब्रदर। हाय, हे प्रज्वल हियर, ओके, मैसेज रिट्रैक्टेड, ओके फाइन। So this happened, and if I'll put a login button here. This happened, this one, and then we have this one. I'll put a button, log out, class name, text, bg red, py2 px4, ज़्यादा हो गया, py1, yeah, then we can do rounded to XL. No, just rounded XL is fine. Rounded XL count, then cursor pointer, cursor pointer, cursor pointer. Then when I hover on it, on hover, I can do bg red 900, over bg red 900, yeah, this, or 800 maybe, 700 maybe, yeah, this is fine. And on hover the text should go white. This is fine. And on click, I'll call this function logout, handle logout, handle logout. Now if I click on it, yeah, logged out. So basically, those who want to see the UI of the application, this is the UI. Right till now I have built this register. Okay, I'm getting the same issue, just a sec. I have an account, just a sec. Messed up somewhere. Okay, I'll fix it. This happened, then okay, now if I log in, test user 7, test user 7, if I log out, this and this, okay, and this is what I have done till now. आई एम शैनोप, कहाँ से हो भाई आप? शैनोप, मैं वेस्ट बंगाल से हूँ, वेस्ट बंगाल इंडिया। अमन कोहली 69, फैमिली नहीं बोलती कि टाइम से सो जाओ? हाँ, मम्मी बोलती है, बट अगर लाइफ में कुछ करना है तो नींद को भूलना पड़ेगा। लाइक मेरा ये मानना है कि सोना छोड़ दो भाई। और खाना क्या है कि पहले मैं कैसा था ना कि मैं ये खाऊंगा ये नहीं खाऊंगा, अब थोड़ा सो जाते हैं, तो इसमें क्या है ना, बहुत दिमाग का कैपेसिटी यूज़ होता है, अननेसेसरी कैपेसिटी यूज़ होता है। अगर मेरा ये माने कि लाइफ में कुछ करना है, नींद को कुर्बान करना पड़ता है, ठीक है? जो मिले खाओ चुपचाप और काम करो। खाओ, चुपचाप काम करो, बात खत्म. Pheronics 7 in Kolkata. Yes, Pheronics, I live in Kolkata. Raj Prajapati 6332. Can I contribute to this project? I am second year student with 1 year of MERN stack experience and Next.js knowledge. Currently working in an IT company. Raj Prajapati. That's nice, brother. See, once I complete this application and make this application, I'll deploy it and make it a open source application. Then you can contribute. Aman Kohli. अमन कोहली भाई यूआई ज्यादा चाटक लग रहा है. या मैं ज्यादा यूआई पे ध्यान दे नहीं रहा हूँ, मैं बस कर रहा हूँ ये एप्लीकेशन के लिए. जेनजी 2006 दादा কোন কলেজে পড়ো বা পড়তে? জেনজি আমার बीटेक कंप्लीट हो गया है. सुनील तारिक R20 सर फॉर्म के लिए फॉर्मिक और यूपीआई यूज किया. मैंने फॉर्म के लिए रिएक्ट हुक फॉर्म यूज किया है और वैलिडेशन के लिए जॉड यूज किया है. सुनील आई एम द चैंपियन. हाय हाय आई एम द चैंपियन. वेलकम बैक टू माई स्ट्रीम. हाउ आर यू? प्रीतम मजुमदार 2958 मैसेज रिट्रैक्टेड. ओके हेलो प्रीतम, वेलकम टू माई स्ट्रीम. सुनील तारिक डिस्प्ले भी कर दें? अभी डिस्प्ले किया था मैंने प्रोजेक्ट थोड़ी देर पहले. Kunal Chaudhary 01. Hello Kunal, welcome to my stream. In which year do you study? I have completed my BTech. Kunal. अमन कोहली से 69. अमन कोहली 69. मम्मी को बोलने से नहीं होता, पापा बोलते हैं तब सोना पड़ता है. ओके. I am Shanop. Do you get half hour free time in a day? I wanted to learn React. See, if you want to learn React, you can learn from YouTube. There's this playlist on Chai or Code. You can use that playlist. React playlist is there. You can learn from that. सुनील तारिक दोबारा कर दे, मैं लीव कर गया था. अच्छा ओके. सो दिस इज़ माई यूआई सुनील. ये लॉगिन पेज है और ये रजिस्टर्ड यूज़र पेज है. एंड ये प्रोटेक्टेड राउट है. जैसे अगर मैं लॉगिन नहीं हूँ तो मैं होम को भी एक्सेस नहीं कर पाऊँगा. जैसे टेस्ट यूज़र 9. हाँ मैं लॉगिन करूँगा तो मैं फीड में चला जाऊँगा. अब मैं फीड में आ गया हूँ. अब जब फीड में आ जाते हैं तो हमें लॉगिन में वापस नहीं जा सकते बिना लॉग आउट किए, क्योंकि कोई लॉगिन है तो वापस लॉगिन पेज में क्यों जाएगा. तो अभी तक इतना ही हुआ है सुनील. जेनजी 2006 नेक्स्ट जेएस एंड फुल स्टैक कहाँ से सीखे थे भैया? मैं नेक्स्ट जेएस अभी उतना ठीक से नहीं सीखा हूँ. मैं नेक्स्ट जेएस 13 सीखा था, बट अब इतना वर्जन अपडेट हुआ है कि अभी तक मैं नेक्स्ट जेएस 16 नहीं सीखा हूँ. मर्न स्टैक मैं सीखा हूँ यूट्यूब से ही. जेनजी 2006. Hey, Prajwal here. What is the better choice for backend? Python stack or MERN? As I do DS in Python in ML, I am better in it. Also, I am proficient in JS to a point as I completed front-end HTML, JS, CSS, React. Okay, see, if Node.js is good, Node.js is good, Python is also good, but I prefer Node.js because it is in future if I build something and it grows a lot, then if I want to use microservices, then it is very easy to build microservice in Node.js. That's why I lean towards Node.js more. But if you know Python, you can start building backend using Django or Fast API. MIT Pune Diaries. Which domain best for getting first job after BTech? I will say go for full stack development. I am the champion 2296. How is your math? Yeah, my math was pretty good only in college also. MIT Pune Diaries. I am a fourth year student. Okay, that's nice. I am the champion. MIT Pune Diaries. That's nice, brother. I am Shanop. No, I mean I am learning from YouTube, but बहुत सारे एरर्स आ रहे हैं मेरे प्रोजेक्ट्स में. आई क्रिएटेड अ बैंक मैनेजिंग एप्लीकेशन वेब बेस्ड, बट जैसे रिएक्ट ऐड करता हूँ एरर्स आ रहे हैं. वो एरर्स को धीरे धीरे सॉल्व करो. अगर एरर आ रहे हैं चैट जीपीटी में जाओ, क्या एरर आ रहा है वो समझो, कोड को पूछो चैट जीपीटी से कि व्हाट इज़ द एरर, हाउ टू फिक्स इट. आप एरर फिक्स करोगे, आप धीरे धीरे सीखते जाओगे. सर सुनील तारिक R20. सर मैं बैकएंड सीखना चाहता हूँ तो यूट्यूब पर कौन सी बेस्ट है जिससे लर्न करके मैं सीख सकूँ? बैकएंड सीखने के लिए अगर आपको Node.js से करना है तो मेरे हिसाब से चाय और कोड का एक बैकएंड से प्लेलिस्ट है, आप वहाँ से सीख सकते हैं. मैंने भी वहीं से सीखा था. मानिया सुर्वे GG42 4T0। हाय ब्रो, कैसे हो आप? हाय मान्या, वेलकम बैक टू माय स्ट्रीम ब्रदर, कैसे हो आप? मैं ठीक हूँ मान्या। जैजी 2006। अगर कोई टेक स्टैक सीखना है तो कहाँ से सीखना होता है, क्या रोड मैप होता है? कोई भी टेक स्टैक सीखो, उसमें कंसेप्ट सेम है। जैसे एपीआई कैसे बनाते हैं, ऑथेंटिकेशन कैसे लगाते हैं, मिडिलवेयर क्या होता है, एपीआई रेट लिमिटिंग क्या होता है, कैशिंग क्या होता है, ठीक है, वेब सॉकेट्स क्या होता है। अब आप कोई भी इसमें टेक स्टैक उठाओ, आपको टॉपिक से ही कवर करना पड़ेगा बैकएंड के लिए। और फ्रंट एंड के लिए आप एंगुलर सीखो या रिएक्ट जेएस सीखो। कंसेप्ट लाइक दोनों के कोड लिखने का तरीका सेम है बट लैंग्वेज सेम है। आकाश Samantha 2041. Hello Akash, welcome to my stream. Suggest me some full stack MERN project which is good for resume currently in third year. First, you can build an application that shows that you can build CRUD application. You can start with a blog application. It is simple, but all the concepts are covered. Then you should use WebSockets. You can create a real-time chatting application or video calling application. That is nice. And if you want to go one step ahead, you can create an AI SaaS as a project. सुनील तारिक R20 एक्सप्रेस करना है मर्न स्टैक। आप चाय और कोड यूट्यूब चैनल में जाओ, वहां पे देखो बैकएंड सीरीज है, वहां से आप सीख जाओगे सुनील। आई एम द चैंपियन 2296 ब्रदर, डू यू मास्टर मैथ, डू यू हाउ डू यू मास्टर मैथ टॉपिक्स सच दैट यू कैन यूज इट टू बिल्ड ग्रेट फीचर्स इंट्यूशनली? सी मैथ मेरे बीटेक में क्या क्या था, और डबल इंटीग्रेशन था, बहुत सारी। मेरा मैथ थर्ड सेम या फोर्थ सेम तक था शायद, तो उतना तक मैंने किया था और अच्छा ही, मतलब बैक वैक नहीं लगा था एंड ठीक ही हो गया था मैथ्स में। उतना डीप नहीं किया था मैथ्स में बट समझ में आ जाता था। और क्या था कि मैथ्स में सिर्फ सॉल्व जितना करोगे उतना समझ में आएगा मेरे हिसाब से। सुनील तारिक R20 मिडिलवेयर क्या होता है? मिडिलवेयर बेसिकली आपके राउट्स के बीच में बैठता है। जैसे अ, ये फॉर एग्जांपल आप यहाँ पे एक स्लैश ऑथ एक राउट बना रहे हैं, ठीक है। राउट कैसा होता है, हम लोग यहाँ पे स्लैश डालते हैं, ऑथ होता है। उसके बाद यहाँ पे जैसे हम लोग कंट्रोलर कॉल करते हैं, जैसे रजिस्टर यूजर, ठीक है। तो यहाँ पे फॉर एग्जांपल एक ऑथ नाम का एक फंक्शन ऐड हो जाएगा, जो रजिस्टर यूजर कॉल करने के पहले चेक करेगा कि यूजर लॉग्ड इन है कि नहीं। तो जो दो फंक्शन के बीच में बैठता है उसी को हम लोग मिडिलवेयर बोलते हैं। I am the champion. 2290. Programming is totally intuitional for me, but the issue is college math where I'm struggling. It feels like giving up. I can understand. सी सबसे पहले ना मैथ हमारे बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स में क्या होता है ना कि फोबिया बन जाता है, बट इतना डिफिकल्ट होता नहीं है मैथ्स, ठीक है। आप क्या टॉपिक्स है उसको आप पढ़ो यूट्यूब पे जाके एंड क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करो। अगर आपके यूनिवर्सिटी से क्वेश्चन पेपर आता है तो यूनिवर्सिटी के लास्ट 5 ईयर्स के पेपर उठाओ, सॉल्व करो। शिवम कुमार XY3HQ, हेलो शिवम, वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम। भाई लारावल का स्कोप क्या है फॉर बैकएंड? लारावल काफ़ी यूज़ होता है बट धीरे धीरे उसकी पॉपुलैरिटी डिक्रीज हो रही है, क्योंकि लोग ज़्यादातर नए नए स्टार्टअप्स में अब मर्न स्टैक यूज़ करते हैं, नेक्स्ट जेस यूज़ करते हैं एंड अलग अलग चीज़ें यूज़ कर रहे हैं। बट पुराने टेक स्टैक में अभी भी लारावेल काफ़ी पॉपुलर है, बट जैसे जैसे स्टार्टअप्स बढ़ रहे हैं वैसे वैसे लारावेल डिक्रीज हो रहा है पॉपुलैरिटी में। फेरोनिक्स 7 कोड स्टार्ट कर भाई, सही बात है फेरोनिक्स, सही बात है। कोड स्टार्ट करते हैं अब। मानिया सुरवे ब्रो, जावास्क्रिप्ट के लिए बेस्ट यूट्यूब चैनल प्लेलिस्ट कौन सी है? चाय और कोड में जाके जावास्क्रिप्ट प्लेलिस्ट है, वहाँ से सीख सकते हो मानिया। आई एम द चैंपियन, मिडिलवेयर इज लाइक जाते समय मिल के जाना है, करेक्ट। आई एम शानोप। भाई आपको लिनक्स डिस्ट्रोस के बारे में नॉलेज है? मैं उबंटू यूज़ किया हुआ हूँ तो उबंटू के बारे में नॉलेज है। इसमें आई कैन यूज़ कलर टेक्स्ट वाइट, आई थिंक, लेट्स सी, टेस्ट यूजर 9, टेस्ट यूजर 9, okay, so what is happening? I'm not hitting this, okay. User 2, user 2, just a sec, how to add color? Okay, any suggestions? Additive, color, anything? Lucid React, how to add color? import React. Okay, yeah, React user. Let's do one thing in this button here. Here I can do. Let's do BG white. No, here it is fine. Let's do BG white here. BG white. Class name. Class name BG white. Any changes? Yeah. Okay, I'm getting this. So not BG white. What will happen if I do text white? Yeah. Now I'm getting this. Okay. So I'm getting this. Log out. Test user 2. Test user 2. I have a DP, so I'm getting the DP. If there's no DP, then I'm getting test user 9 here. I'll get test user 9. Fine. Correct. Now this happened. Yeah, now for now this is fine. Now we'll create the sidebar. Okay. सुनील तारिक R20 नेक्स्ट जे स्किप कर सकते हैं. हाँ, नेक्स्ट जे सीखने के पहले आप मर्न स्टैक सीख सकते हो सुनील. के 9849. हेलो के 9849. एंड्रॉयड स्टूडियो एंड जावा प्लीज़ टेल मी. नो कौन से मैंने एंड्रॉयड स्टूडियो पे इतना काम किया नहीं है, तो उतना नॉलेज मेरे पास है नहीं अभी. शिवम कुमार XY3HQ. मुझे एच टी एम एल से जे एस पी एच पी आता है बैकएंड के लिए. क्या सीखना चाहिए जिससे जॉब मिल जाए? अगर पी एच पी आता है तो आप कोऑर्डिनेटर सीखो या लारावल सीखो. लारावल ज़्यादा पॉपुलर है, लारावल सीखो. सुनील तारिक. मनस्टैक कर लो ब्रदर. शिवम कुमार. या मनस्टैक भी कर सकते हैं. तक 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 टेल मी नो कौन सा. ओके. ओमी 69. मैन डूइंग क्रेजी वर्क. थैंक्स ओमीन 69. वेलकम टू माई स्ट्रीम ब्रदर. वर्क हार्ड, नो वन कैन रिप्लेस you. Thanks, Omin. Omi 69. HTTP. Okay, just a second. Okay, this happened. Navbar is done. Now, but there's an issue with my register page. When I'm this in, I'm getting this. Did I mess up somewhere? Where's my app? Just a sec. Register page. This is my register page. When this is happening, I'm getting this. I'm getting error. I'm getting that, but this is not increasing. Increase this also. So this should be H screen. And H screen was my app. TSX. H screen minimum. If I add minimum H screen, then what will happen? Yeah, okay. This was the main issue. Fine. Got this. Fine. Okay. Yeah, this is done. Again, let's go inside. Test user 2. Test user 2. I'll log in. Done. I'm here. Now we'll create the sidebar. But before that, online feed page. But before that, in this nav bar, let's make it responsive also. Inspect. How is it looking? If I inspect it, it's looking like this. So in the inspect part, I can do this a bit smaller. Flex specify between item center MDPX, and I can do PX13 here. Smaller devices. No, not PX13. PX2. PX2 or PX4 maybe. PX4 is fine. Then PY4 is, how is it? PY4 is fine. But before I give padding, I should give a width. Just a sec. I'll do this. I'll do minimum height of 10. Minimum height of 10. I did this. Minimum height of 10. Just a sec. Minimum height of 10. शिवम, अगर मैं लारावेल 100% कर लूँ तो जॉब मिल जाएगा क्या? हाँ, ज़रूर मिल जाएगा। अगर लारावेल अच्छे से कर लोगे तो जॉब मिल जाएगा। शिवम, क्योंकि मुझे राउट्स तक आता है लारावेल में। तो कुछ भी सीखो बट अच्छे से एकदम डेप्थ में सीखो, तब जॉब आराम से मिल जाएगा। I am the champion 2296. Have you tried Gen AI application RAG and all this stuff? Yes, I have built my own RAG. You can see in my GitHub. You will find a PDF RAG and DocuGenius नाम का एक application. You can find that. I am the champion 32296. To be honest, nowadays I totally skip the CSS work and offer it to AI. Saves a lot of time. Yeah, I agree. I agree. That is fine only, in my opinion. 7.5. 7.5. Hold on. So this is happening here. Test user 2. And let's make s- uh, just a sec. This happened. Of this. Let's, for example, for now, let's just copy this part. We'll come here, paste it. I'll comment this part. Where is it? Yeah, I'll comment for just for this one. Comment it. What happened? Comment it. I comment that one. Just a sec. This is not required, and I can comment this one. If I comment this one, and I can comment this one. Right. If I comment this one here, uh, let's remove all the padding from here. Now, remove the padding here. Padding is removed. Now this is how it looks. Now if I give it a default height of 20, minimum height of 20, this is the 20. Basically, how can I give view height? How to give VH height in Tailwind CSS? Let's see. Is built-in to set height using VH units in Tailwind. You can use built-in, like how screen. Okay. 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 Got it. Screen 100. Okay. Yeah, this fine. So I can come here and I can give this 20 view height. VH ये ज़्यादा हो गया. 20 or 10. I can do this 10. If this is 10, now I can give some padding here. Just copy these parts. Okay, okay, got it. Uncomment this one. I will remove this part again, and here I will do minimum height of 10 view height. 10 view height. This looks better, but I should reduce px to 3. Px to 20, I think. Px 20. And UI is fine. And if I come here, this is fine. Just a sec. Okay. Renovo Digitals. Hello, Renovo Digitals. Welcome back to my stream, brother. How are you? I'm good. Renovo Digitals working on the back end, front end of the application. Today I was pretty much tortured while making my project. Why, Renovo? What happened? I was getting and wanted to return my Python code, and I checked again and again. The problem was that my function was being called twice. Yeah, these small errors can create a big problem in the code. 9 a.m. games. What's cooking, matcha? 9 a.m. game just cooking the front end today. Building the feed page today mainly. 9 a.m. H full is for height. VH in tailwind, I guess. Yeah, but see, I am giving this one for the nav bar. So nav bar will be just get the 10 view height maybe, and then I'll divide the slider height to remaining height. I checked a lot Renova Digitals. I checked a lot from where it was called second time. Okay, I name games. Yes, I know. At last, I found that the main file had called the function twice, once isolated and second time in the variable. Okay, got it. I am the champion 2296. Are you planning to launch the project as startup? Not this project. This project, I'll just launch it and make it open source. After this, the SaaS that I'll build, I'll launch it as a startup mainly. While logout button in the front read to be inside setting or menu. See, this is just for now because I need to check a lot. I have to log out a lot. So for now it is here. Later I'll remove it or I'll put it in the sidebar. Bharadwaj 001. Hello Bharadwaj, welcome back to my stream. How are you? 9 AM games. So how you manage by using calc? No, I'm just using here this one 10 view height. I am the champion. What are you planning for SaaS? Right now, I have so many ideas that I have not selected any one particular idea. So I'm trying to, after currently I'm focused on learning. After this, I'll pick one idea and work on it. Okay. So this is connect. Just a sec. Test user two. Test user two. Hmm. Here I came here. Welcome back. Test user two. Now let's build the sidebar. I gave it a height of this. And did I make it responsive? This is responsive, maybe. Just a sec, I'll just make it px3 or px4. Px4, yeah, this looks fine. Py4 is good only. This is done. Then here font bold MD tag, and in small devices I can make it text to Excel or just Excel. Yeah, this looks good. Test one, this is fine. Flag item gap 2. Yeah, this is fine only for. And in small, I can just make the button a bit smaller. Uh-huh. PG red button. This is my button class in PG red py. This is for medium, and this is for medium. Rounded XL is fine. And for my small devices, py is not just px2 is fine, and rounded XL is fine. Just a sec. And text can be XS. No. PX PY 0.5 PY1 0.5. Yeah, this is fine. Okay. I am the champion. What are you planning for, sir? Okay. This is done. Okay, this looks fine only, and here it looks like this. Then let's build the sidebar. This is my sidebar. BG red 500 here. BG red 500 here. Let's give it a minimum height of 90 view height. Yeah, correct. This is what I wanted. And minimum width, there we go, minimum width of 200 pixel, maybe not 200, just make it 300 pixel. Yeah, this looks better. Or 320 pixel, maybe 320. Yeah, 320 looks fine. So I can remove this one. Just a sec, I'll remove this one and I'll do text. I'll do text white text white here. I can do text white here, and this is done. And also the side. This is my feed page, and sidebar, and this is the feed page. Here, class name will be uh, text white. This is the feed page, right? So according, I'm the champion 2296. Have you ever thought of cloning complex software like React.js itself, or VS Code, or Monaco editor, API, Shazam, etc., etc.? No, I have never thought of cloning these projects. Uh, no, I've never thought of those things. I'm the champ. These have extreme engineering depth. That is true. Okay. Let's first in sidebar. What do I want in sidebar? Home, profile, home page, and profile page. We can just make it. I'll just make a purple line here so that I know it is distinctive. Okay. Sidebar, border, right, 500. How does it look? Anything? No. Just border. I'll do border R, red, 500. Anything? No. Just a sec. How did I do that one? Where's my navbar? Here, border B, shadow. Now, fine. So border B. There I did border B, and border B, and border color. Here also I go to sidebar. I can do border red, border R, border color will be this one only. Border color can be this one. Let's try this. I'll come here, feed page, sidebar, and this one. Let's see. Yeah, but not so. Yeah, 320 is too much. It can be 300. Let's make it 300. Yeah, 300, but it should not look like this. It should be a bit. I'm the champion double 296. Do you think it is better get into deep tech? Yeah, it is better because deep tech has a lot of value. You can build so many things. Main width, class width, 75. Okay, main width 75. I can do this. Then here I can make it a bit opaque. I can give shadow. Let's see, shadow feed page, shadow. You give shadow. Let's do shadow. This one. Let's give shadow. Anything? Let's make the shadow color this one. And difference shadow color this. And if I remove this, then what will happen? Any difference? Just pure white. Shadow. Hold on. Border right. If this is border right, then shadow. Just a sec. Shadow 2XL. Anything? Shadow. Shadow white. Shadow white. But not like this. I can get shadow this color. Shadow this color. Shadow this color. Yeah, and I can remove the border. If I remove the border, what will happen? If I remove the border entirely, then what will happen? This looks better, but not like this. It's a bit too much. Um, shadow XL, shadow XL. 9 a.m. games. Word wrap on कर लो. Okay, word wrap settings. दिया. Then if I go to sidebar, before sidebar, let's work on this one. See, what do I want? I want the feed to come here. I want the feed to come here. All the feeds should come here. Dairoth 276 Abhishek. Hi Abhishek, welcome back to my stream. How are you? Why DSA comes in development job? See, firstly, DSA for development job it comes to filter candidates out because too many people apply and they cannot take everyone na? So that's why they create these kind of rounds, DSA rounds, to filter candidates and find quality candidates, those who can think and find patterns. And DSA is basically improves your skill of understanding and finding patterns in a problem or your analytical skills. So it overall develops your problem solving skills. That is why companies prefer it so much. I am the champion 2296. If we compare India and other world, I don't believe there are so much less deep tech people. Foreigners are were able to do it, but how did they get so deep? Because of curiosity. They like to learn. और वहाँ पे क्या है ना, स्टार्टअप कल्चर है वहाँ पे. पीपल encourage you to build your own company, build your own startup. बट इंडिया में क्या है कि बस पढ़ो, बीटेक करो, जॉब करो, सेटल हो जाओ. यही माइंडसेट है मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल का. तो यहाँ पे स्टार्टअप कल्चर उतना है नहीं है. बट लाइक उस लेवल का नहीं है जितना लाइक हम लोग का पॉपुलेशन कितना ज़्यादा है, ठीक है. तो उस पॉपुलेशन को जस्टिफाई नहीं करता हम लोग का स्टार्टअप कल्चर. I am the champion 2296. I feel like as a full stack engineer, even if we focus on system design, we are nothing. See, system design is understanding how to scale. That's it. For example, creating a system that caters to 100 user is different from creating system that creates that can cater to 1 million users. So design comes into picture when your application is reaching a lot of people. Then system design comes into the picture. If you are thinking from a startup perspective, 9 a.m. games, align item, justify content. Yeah, this one. This one flex call, align items, align item center, items center. Yeah, this is better. This is fine only. Okay. See, what do I want here? I want something like this. There should be a gap from here and gap from right also. And here, my see in future there will be a line here as well, and there all the online users will be there. And then if you click, then we'll go to the chat application, right? So let's create a right chat bar also. In general, 9 a.m. games. System design is new DSA. What's your thoughts on this? सी सिस्टम डिज़ाइन तो मेरे हिसाब से फ्रेशर को पहला बात पूछना ही नहीं चाहिए. अगर कोई कंपनी जानता है कि ये फ्रेशर है, तो एक्सपेक्टिंग सिस्टम डिज़ाइन फ्रॉम दिस इज एक्चुअली फ्रॉम अ फ्रेशर इज अनफेयर टू दैट फ्रेशर. फर्स्टली, सिस्टम डिज़ाइन मेनली मीडियम लेवल जॉब जो 1-2 साल का एक्सपीरियंस हो गया उसके बाद सिस्टम डिज़ाइन पूछो तो समझ में भी आता है. I am the champion 2296. System design and DSA both are needed nowadays. Yeah, maybe. I'm the champion. Considering the increased productivity cause of AI. Yeah. Direct 276 Abhishek system design. 9 a.m. games. सारा पूछ रहे हैं आजकल तो. Yeah. I'm the champion. I saw a reel of Chinese coconut seller designing chips like NVIDIA in free time. Loop Infinity 1. Hello, Sarji. Hello, Loop Infinity 1. Welcome back to my stream, brother. How are you? So let's create a chat bar. Chat bar dot tsx. REFCE. Chat bar dot tsx. This chat bar dot tsx will be here. Then if my feed page, container flex, this is my feed section. Class name feed section, and after this feed section I'll have the chat bar. And my chat bar, if I come to my chat bar, class name text white, and I need to give feed section. I'll create a new component as feed section. Just a sec, I'll come here. Okay, wait here. This feed page chat bar should be in the feed page, or it should be everywhere. I think it should be in the feed page only. No, it should be everywhere, because if in the profile page, if we go, this will be there, profile data will be here and posts will be here. Okay, so it should be everywhere. Feed page is chat bar. Chat bar should be components feed page components, right? And here I can create new file, feed section dot tsx refce. This is my feed section, and my feed page here I'll call the feed section. I did this. Now if we come here, feed section, this is my feed section. I'll just do class name text white here. I did this. Now I should give a minimum width of, just a sec, in my feed page sidebar I'm giving 90 vh and width is 75. Okay, I can make it in 20 80 20 60 20. Yeah, let's do that. Of 20 view width. Now let's see. Yeah, this is correct. And this sidebar, where is it? Chat bar, I'll make it minimum width of 20 view width. Chat bar, and in my feed section I'll make it minimum width of 60 view width. Now let's see. Yeah, now this is correct. Chat bar, and just for chat bar I'll give a line. Okay, 9 games. The Vibe Crafters. Hello, the Vibe Crafters. Welcome to my stream. What do you do? I mean, job. If yes, then where? I don't do job. I'm trying to build my own startup. I'm the champion. If you weren't in tech, then what you would have done for becoming rich? I would have started my own business, like online business. I started my YouTube channel mainly, mostly games, gambling, or maybe farming. I'm the champion ever 296, bro. Okay, feed section is here. Then my chat bar section. This is my chat bar. I can give same thing. Where's my sidebar? This is shadow Excel. This one, shadow Excel. Just a sec. Flex cool. Let's do this. Chat bar section is here. Yeah, I wanted something like this. Correct. This is correct. Chat bar. Now let's focus on this one. Now let's focus on this. Here I'll get the feeds. Like this, then scroll. And feed section should be scrollable. First of all, this will be fixed and this will be fixed. And navbar also will be fixed. Navbar will be sticky. Okay. Venom's code. Hi bro. Hi Venom's code. Welcome back to my stream, brother. How are you? So there we go, just a sec. Let's see. Okay, there we go. Chat bar is here. Fine. This is my layout, and if I go to this one, see chat section, I'll hide it and I'll make it like something like this. Someone clicks on it, they can go there. Sidebar, this will be yeah, we came here. Now let's get the feeds. Fine. This is my feed page. In my feed section, I'll also create individual feed. New file, feed post dot tsx, individual post, right? RAFCE, that I'll use later, but I'll make the API call in my feed section. So in my API, I'll come here and I'll create feed.api.ts, export const get feed posts equals this async. I don't need to pass anything. Then here what I'll do is that I will import this one, API chat bar, sidebar, feed section, feed page, nav bar. I will API. I'm the champion 2296 API.ts. Yes, using this, I'll hit the backend API. I've created backend API, but uh, here I'll create the function that calls the API. This is here. Then what I'll do, I'll simply import this one. This I need to import. I'll import this API. Now, if I do const response equals await, const response equals await API dot get. Then what was the name of my API? I'll come here. I'll close this one. This is done. MERN social media application posts. This is my post. Post. Just to get all posts. All posts. Post slash dash all posts. Here we go. Post slash all posts. Fine, I got this. Then do I need to pass any header? Just a sec, I'll check here. No data, no header is required. Feed API. Then here I can return the response dot data. Export get feed post. Then I go to feed section. Here I'll call the API feed section. I'll use effect. All right. Then here I'll use effect and dependency array, right? And I'll call this. Then and I'll create a state as const posts feed posts comma set feed posts equals use state react, and this will be empty array by default, right? This will be an empty array by default. And in my use effect, I'll create a function const get feed get. I'll call this function. Did I call this function? Just a sec. Yeah, and get posts equals, I'll call that function async. Hold on, this is my function, just a sec. Here I'll do async, nothing is required. Get posts, then here I'll call const response equals await 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 where is this, what is this called, get feed posts. I'll import this get feed posts. Fine, let's just console.log this for now. Console.log response. Let's see what do I get here. If I come here, let's first go to inspect. Hitting any API. Hold on. Okay, I'm not calling that function here. Get post, I need to call it. I called it here. Now let's see. Console. Status code data response.data message data. I'm getting the array, right? All right, so there I go. MIT Purnia Diaries, your keyboard sound is amazing. Thanks, MIT Purnia Diaries. Get posts, then I call this, then after I call this function get posts, here I can do one thing, that in my set just I need to do try catch as well. I'll do try catch in my try I'll do this, just a sec. Hold on. Here I'll go try catch will be any. I'll do const server error set server error equals use state, default will be null, and here only string or null is allowed. Alok Yadav, IG7FR. Hello Alok Yadav, welcome to my stream. My age is 25. Alok Yadav, IG7FR. I am also a MongoDB developer. That's nice, Alok. Nice to meet you and welcome to my stream, brother. This one, if there's an error, I'll do one thing. I'll do set server error as error dot message. I will set capital server error, yeah, and I'll import toast also, toast dot error. Let's do error dot message only, and in the try section I'll do const response equals await get feed posts, I called it. Then my set feed posts, I'll do response dot data. I got this set feed posts, I got this. Now let's do one thing. Here, just a sec. After this, this is done. I'm calling it. Then I just console dot log feed posts. Let's see what happened. Feed post, I'm waiting this array 0 array empty. Okay, hold on. I'll do one thing is that I'm calling this function, right? Response dot data Here also I'll do console dot log feed posts. Now if I come here, I'm getting array 0, feed post 0, length 0, prototype object. What is happening? I'll just check it here also. Get all posts. I'll log in. This is my user. I'll log in here. Test user 2. Test user 2. I logged in here. I got it. Then my get all posts part. I'll log in. I'll get this array, comments, everything. I'm getting this right. I'm getting this in my post section also. There's only one post. Okay, fine. Then just a sec. Set field response dot data. Let's just console.log it. Console.log response dot data. I did this. Now if I go here, what is happening? Yeah, I'm getting this. Comment. I'm getting all these things. Comments, everything I'm getting. Comment count also I'm getting. So I'm setting this thing here. Fine. Now I'll come here and my feed section, I'll do one thing, that I'll map through it. Now if feed posts dot map this return feed post, then I'll just call this feed section, and I'll check one thing. Initially feed posts dot length in th is not equal to 0. Then we'll do this thing, feed post. Hold on, just I'll remove everything. I'll do if feed post dot length is not equal to 0, and feed posts dot map callback done feed post. Then I'll do feed section. Feed section. What is happening? Feed section. Feed. Okay, I did one mistake in feed. Okay, this everything will be in feed page. This everything will be. I'll copy it here. No issues. I will copy it here and come to my feed page. Do everything here. This, or I can remove this. Use effect. Import this. This is happening. Then after this, I'll just do this one. This check that I was doing here, feed section. This check I'll do it here. Page I will do it here. Then here instead just do this one. Let's see any difference. Okay, see, I was getting something chat bar. Just a sec. Okay, because there's nothing to show here right now, so I'll just put context. This is feed. Just looking through it. Fine. Now I can do one thing. Let's just quickly add one post from my backend. Phoenix 7, so ja bhai. हाँ बस ये थोड़ा सा कंप्लीट करके आई गो टू स्लीप. Shivam, hello Shivam, welcome to my stream, brother. How to start coding with zero knowledge? Please reply. Shivam, see, first thing is that you need to learn a programming language. Start with JavaScript, like because I did that. You can pick anything if you want, like JavaScript, Python, or Java. Choose any one, master it, then learn a backend framework that is built using that programming language. For example, if you learned JavaScript, then you can start learning express.js, then you can learn how to use database with your backend. Do this much, then understand the basic concepts of backend, and then learn about front end, how to build front end, how to connect your front end with backend, build real world applications, and deploy it. Learn DevOps, all these things. Like that's how you can start, Shivam. Okay, so this is feed. This happened, and I don't need these things. Just I can use Toastify here. Here's my Toastify feed page. Okay, this is done. Then I don't need these things. Dispatch here. I'm not using it. I can. Yeah, loading is required. Maybe just a second. For now, loading is not required. I can remove this. We can just remove this. See, loading is required because authentication is not okay. This I can keep. Remove this. Right. This is also not required. This is not required. This is also not required. Once done. Required. Fine. Server error. This is happening. Okay. Feed post. Now what I can do is that this part I can pass the parameters. Pass the feed post detail. Just a sec. What I can do is if I can pass, I can just do this. Destructure it. Feed post. Feed post. I can do this. This. Spread types are from object types. It is an array of objects. So what is happening? Bobby Plaz 6853. Hello Bobby, welcome to my stream, brother. How do you stay motivated? I don't rely on motivation. I believe in discipline and consistency. So motivation, if you get addicted to motivation, then motivation fades away, you will stop working. So I have trained myself not to, get dependent on motivation. I believe in consistency. I believe in showing up every single day. Uh, and just not giving up on myself, no matter how I feel. That's it. Because we live in a time where feelings are overrated. Because uh, I don't feel like working today, so I'll not work. I'm not feeling good, so I'll not work. All these things don't matter. If you want to reach a level, then you have to fuck your feelings and you have to start working no matter what. So that's what I believe in. Feed section. I can do one thing. So what am I getting here? Uh, Get post. Just a sec. Console.log. Console.log feed posts. We'll come here. Inspect console. Key element. Okay. Just add a key. Key can be feed post dot underscore id. Hold on. post. Sorry, just a sec. Key. Hold on. I can just remove everything. Remove everything. Now. This is the post. This I'm getting here. This I'm getting here. Come here. Check another method. Forger X69. Hello Forger, welcome to my stream, brother. Bro, your headphone name, please. My headphone name is ANT. What is the name? Just a sec. ANT Esports. ANT Esports is the name of the headphone that I'm using. This is feed post. So I'm getting this. It means that if this condition this is my code feed page dot tsx. Hold on. Whatever feed page dot tsx feed section dot tsx API call feed dot API dot ps. This is the response API response that I'm expecting. This is the API response. Forger X69. Thanks, bro. Love you. I'll contact you on Insta after this stream. Yeah, sure. Forger X69. Okay, so what? Wrong response handling. Nice, your API response looks clean. You're very close. There's just few bugs. From the wrong response handling, your API returns this, this, and this, but in feed you're doing this one. Check. But in API, passing the response or data. Logging, stale state, stale, correct way to debug comes like updated feed post. Okay, feed post, okay, feed post. Here I'll go in my this page. Here I'll pass the feed post. You are not passing post data to feed session. Feed post. Making feed page, response to data or data. Response to data or data. This is my feed dot API dot ps. Now this is fine, but key thing. I know API helper is not data, which means should not accept dot data again. So it does this. Okay, got it. So here in my feed response dot data dot data. What is the issue? The issue है Shivam, tell me something about yourself. What do you do? Like example, like jobs, which company or anything. Shivam, I have resigned from my company and I am trying to build my own SaaS. I used to work as an analyst or software engineer, but I've now, I'm trying to build my own startup. Okay, so just a sec. This is paused. This is the pause value. This You should do this. I was doing this only. Response.data. Yeah, okay. But I'm taking grid calls. It is called case. No dependency array required. API response status code. A post array. A post array. This is my post array. Okay. This is done. This is my feed post. Hold on. There we go. Now if I did this. Our only posts array. Okay. Here I do post data dot data and my feed page. I can just do wait posts. I can do here posts. I just do here posts. Posts. I remove all this posts. Here posts. Okay, just a second. No, this is happening. This is happening. And how to pass data. Nice command. Feed posts. Weather post. I can do this. Here I'll come here. Loading. I'll set loading. Try. Finally, this is done. Catch is done. I can add this. Let's do one thing. Here we can do this. Or I'll do this. Or I'll do this. I'll pass this one here. Here I can do this part. This part. Spinner. I'll remove this part. Hold on. If loading is true, then this or this. Spiller is true, then what is happening? Feed posts about this. Feed post, I got this. Where is it? Yeah, yes. Notchi. What are you building, bro? Bro, I'm building my social media application using Monster and Typescript. And welcome to my stream, Notchi. Shivam, which education platform for started coding for beginners? Where which education platform for starting code for beginners? Education platform like YouTube channel. Are you asking for the YouTube channel? Feed posts. Let's do one thing. Map ID equals feed post dot underscore ID. Just a sec. This is my code. Auth, this is my code. This is my code. Feed.api.ts. Feed section page feed page. This is API response. You disclose the API number. The reason your feed still feeds off is a couple of small React logic bugs on which connection feedback. Set loading and is in rock place. All this is finished. Set false after the API call has finished. So, logging still state old value. Give me the full code. Shivam message retracted. Okay. Chanchal Chaurasia, bro, you know about Shopify Hydrogen? No, brother, I don't have idea about that. And Chanchal, welcome to my stream. Nachi, are you a self-taught coder? Yes. Vipul Patil, 4734. Hi, Abhishek bhai. Hi, Vipul Patil. Welcome back to my stream. How are you, brother? Notch, are you a self-taught coder? Yes, I am a self-taught coder. I learned basically from YouTube only. Section. Feed page, feed post. This should be in a finally part. Post set loading post set feed posts. Set feed posts. Where is it? Where is it coming from? It's coming from here. I can move it here. I can move it here. Set feed post. This, and this I need to move it here after get post. If loading is still true, and this is happening. Okay, then copy this interface, feed post, interface, feed post. I can create this. I can tell it that it is of type this. Save field. Curious Altaf. Hi Curious Altaf. Welcome to my stream brother. Deep. भैया बैकएंड किससे करना चाहिए? चाय और कोड यूट्यूब चैनल है, वहाँ से बैकएंड प्लेलिस्ट देख लो. Vipul Patil 4734. I am fine. How are you? I am good, brother. Okay, so this is done, and here if I come, get more, and if loading, React Spinner. Fine, this is also done. In my feed section, I'll just copy this one feed section. I'll just copy this post. I'm getting this error. Yeah, go to this. Here I am passing this post into the type of feed section props. I do this. Okay, not complaining now. Now let's keep this code. Let's see. I'll copy this from here. I'll copy it here. Here. Now let's see. It is looking like this. Okay, it is now looking like this. Wait. I'll just comment this one. This is test user 2 post. What is going now in project? I'm working on the front end, and this is the feed page section. I have a question. I know front end and back end, but I also want to make my own application. So has any such situation ever come to you that you are not able to understand what to learn or do after this? Like, how can I start my work? See, back end and front end. Before starting, make sure you have built enough application that gives you confidence. Like you can build your own simple CRUD applications, then create a repository, keep the code there, and when you start building your own application, Whenever you get stuck, take help from the repository. And like learning never ends. Whenever you build something new, you will face errors, and then you have to again learn and come back and then solve that error. So that is the approach that you need to follow. Uh, B4W. Hello, B4W. Welcome to my stream. Which will be better, MacBook or Windows laptop? I use Windows laptop. If you can afford MacBook, then obviously MacBook, because MacBook is very good for coding. Okay, so let's just do one thing. For now, let's keep it like this. Now let's keep it like this. Let's comment. Keep it. I'll just remove all the. Let's just remove this one because we have to work on this. Hello. I'll just keep one edge tag. I'll just do one thing. Hi, and I can do post dot owner dot username. I'll just do this one, and this can be class name text white, and this will be a div. This will be inside a div. Return div, or a section, maybe section is better for this one. Here I can give, and I can give class name of minimum width of 60, view width. This is fine for now. Okay. Move on. This more thing is that create the type for comment also. Call typing comment will save on bugs later. Few types that put types feed.ts or inline feed. Okay, I can create a This is my code. I can front end, go to front end. I'll create src. I'll create a new folder as types. I can name this folder as feed.ts. Feed.ts. Nooch, what's the goal of your application? See, this application is only for learning, because my end goal is to build my own SaaS and start my own startup. And this application that I'm currently working on is for my own learning. I'll deploy it and I'll make it an open source application so other people can also contribute to this application. Okay, and I'll come here, owner. Let's see the code. Feed owner. I commented by adding your profile image interface feed comment. Okay, feed post and ID content image owner feed owner comments feed comment like fine. Okay, so I've created the type and here feed section properly. This in my feed section I'll come in here and I'll remove this and I'll import this. Alright, feed section drops this. Post content, post image, feed page. I can import the feed page. This is my feed page, and instead of typing all this, I can just remove this and type this. Then I come here, posts. Yeah, this is working. It's working. It is working. Now one more thing. This is done. Now I'll work on the feed section tomorrow. Okay, I will come here. Notch. So I can see your this work on GitHub repo. Yes, I have a GitHub repository. You can go to my GitHub page profile. It's in the description of this stream, or you can check my YouTube channel also. This is my GitHub repository. You can come to my repository, and this is MERN social media project. This is the current repository of this code, and you can see the code here. So I'll commit this here. This is done. Changes and push it here. Code hasn't pushed. If I refresh it, get it, push. I need to push it. Yeah, now if I come here, code hasn't pushed. Now if I, you can come here. Uh, Krutharth Patel 2823. Cheers to learning. Good work. Thanks, Krutharth Patel 2823. Welcome to my stream, brother. So this you can see here. Code. So, all right, everyone. I'll keep it this much for today. And if you like this stream, do consider subscribing to my channel. And I'll see you in the next stream. And take care of yourself and keep learning.